In this case study, you will practice the different techniques of multibody that you have or we have discussed in this section up to now. Different types of the multibody tools or commands will be practiced in this case study. For example, splitting bodies, subtracting bodies, moving bodies, and making patterns of different bodies or mirroring bodies, then inserting a part as a multibody, and many more. So let's start our this case study now. So first of all, draw a rectangle on top plane. Select rectangle tool and draw a center rectangle. Add dimension to this rectangle. Its length is 50 inch and its width is 36 inch. Or we change that this is 60 inch. Okay, exit from sketch now. Now make simple extrude of this sketch. Specify the depth of extrude, that is 30. Now again make another sketch on this top plane. Use convert entities tool. Okay. Now sketch another line. Add equal relation for these all lines. Make equal. Now define their dimension or size, that is 3 inch. Now use power trim tool to trim from the corners. Okay, our sketch is fully defined now. Exit from sketch. Now go to extrude cut and from our start option select offset. So offset distance from this top face is 1 inch. Change the direction. From direction 1, that is through all. Okay. So now we will split the legs with the top face using split tool. Currently our part has only one body. So go to command bar and load split tool. Split. Just select bottom face of this tabletop and cut. You can see number of bodies are 5 now. Okay. Okay, specify all of them. Okay. Our part has been converted into multi-body part and has 5 bodies. Now our next step is to move each leg to inside of this top. And there should be a distance between this leg and this edge, and also there should be a distance between this leg side and this face. Similarly for all. So just select move, copy, move copy bodies and select the bodies to move. Select this leg, uncheck the copy direction. Now from translate, select the direction. Select this edge as the direction and define the distance, that is 2 inch. You can see the preview that leg has moved towards us. Just put a negative sign. Okay. You can see this leg has been moved away from this edge. Similarly, again use move copy bodies tool and select this leg again. From direction, this time select this edge as a direction and define the direction. You can see the preview. Ensure that copy option is unchecked. So this leg has moved to inside from these faces. Similarly, apply this operation of move and copy body to other 3 legs. So we have moved our 4 legs toward inside from outer face or edges of the tabletop. Our next step is to add bracket between this face of each leg and the table top in order to strengthen the table. So that will be done by inserting part as a body to into a multi-body part. First of all, we will make a simple part of a bracket, then we will add it into this table part. So go to new part and make a new part. Sketch on the front plane. So add equal relations between these two lines. Assign dimension. This is 8 inch and this is 2 inch. Exit from sketch now and make simple extrude with depth or thickness of 1 inch. So just make sketch on this face. Use offset tool and offset all boundary. Define offset distance 0.7 inch. Okay. Convert these lines as construction lines. Then draw a circle of your own pattern. This will just add beauty to your table. Exit from sketch and make extrude cut using through all option. Then save your part as bracket. Okay, now we will add that bracket into this table part. So go to command bar and load insert part command. Insert part, then browse bracket. Open it. Okay, you can see bracket has been placed in this multi-body part. So our next step is to place this bracket in its proper place using mates or multi-body mates commands. So let's do it. Again, load move copy bodies. Then here select constraints options. Select this body to move. Then select this face of leg and this face of bracket. Add. Again select this top face, then select this top face of bracket. Okay. Now in the last, select this face, then this front face of bracket, and add distance of 1 inch. Just go to body move and edit it. From here, select this distance and flip the direction. You can see this bracket has been placed in mid of this leg. Our last step is to place this bracket or attach this bracket to other three legs using mirror bodies options. First of all, we will mirror this body about mid plane of this top. You can see where is this is the right plane. So we will mirror this bracket about this right plane. Just go to mirror and select the plane about which you want to mirror the body. That is the right plane, and select bodies to mirror. Then select this body. Okay. So another body has been added to this table part. Again, now we will move or apply next mirror about front plane. So just go to mirror and select front plane. Then from bodies to mirror cell, select these both bodies. Okay. So in this way, we have converted a simple box or block into a table using multi-body different techniques. First we make simple block, then we make legs of this table using split tool. After that we moved legs to inside, then we make another part of bracket in a new file, then we imported this bracket as a body into this table part and applied made constraints between this bracket and the rest part of table. Then in the last we applied mirror bodies to add bracket to all legs. So please make a practice of this case study, and thank you for this whole section or session of multi-bodies. Please be practical and make more and more practice. Thank you.